The class kick. All right, so cylinder, okay, the lateral area is 2 pi RH, and then the total area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi RH, or 2 pi r squared plus lateral area. So for cylinder, this would be 2 pi 5 times 10, or 100 pi. If you multiply that out, it's 314.2, right, 0.3. Then total area would be 2 times the base area plus the lateral area, or 2 pi r squared, plus the lateral area, 100 pi. So 25 times 2 is 50 pi plus 100 pi, 150 pi, thank you. And 150 pi is 471.2. Same thing for the next one, except you've got a square root as your radius. So 2 pi square root 7 times the height. Exact would be kept as 6 square root 7 pi. If you actually multiply that out, you get 49.87. 2 times pi times the square root of 7 squared plus 6 root 7 pi gets you 2 times 7, which is 14 pi plus 6 root 7 pi, if you keep it exact. If you add that out, you get 93.85. Most of you did pretty good on that. Okay, 3 and 4, we're now a cone. Lateral area of a cone. Well, first you got to find either slant height or the actual height. So if I have the radius is 5 and the height is 12, then the slant height is 13. On the second one, if the radius is 8 and the slant height is 17, then the height is 15. Those are both triples. Lateral area is pi RL. So pi 5, 13 is 65 pi, which is 204.2. And then lateral area, and then total area would be pi 5 squared plus 65 pi, 25 pi plus 65 pi, or 90 pi, which is 282.74. Lateral area for the second one, pi 8 times 17, which is 136 pi, which is 427.26. Good. Total area pi 8 squared, so pi r squared plus 136 pi, 64 pi plus 136 pi, 200 pi, which is 628.32. Yep. For total area?
I did the formula for on the top one.
Yeah, no, these are them. So cone pi RL for lateral area, and then total area pi r squared plus pi RL. Okay, 2, volume of a solid. This time it's a cone, 1/3, 1/3 base area, or pi r squared times h, 1/3 pi 12 squared times 24. This is 144, and you get 1,152 pi, or 3,619.11.
100%.
3 says the volume of the cube after the cone is removed. So you got to find the volume of the cube, which is 6.8 cubed, minus the volume of the cone, 1/3 pi. Radius would be half this, 3.4 squared. Height, 6.8. You should get 232.11 millimeters cubed.
Alright, bro, we get it.
No, I didn't get it. I was off by.
Okay, then you got the entire question right.
Good thing he's not your teacher. All right, volume of a right cone with a height. So a volume would be 1/3 pi r squared h. The volume is 2144.66. Pi r, and that's what we don't know, h, 32.
What?
So you could divide by 32. 67.02 would equal 1/3 pi r squared. You can multiply by 3. pi r squared would equal 201.06. Divide by pi. R squared is 63.99. And then when you square root it, R is 8.0.
Oh, I got that one.
All right, day 2 homework is on Big Ideas and Canvas. Make sure you show your work. Tomorrow we move on to 11.8.